morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I hope you're all doing good. For me, I'm very much okay. Yes, I thank God for today. Today is a beautiful day. As you all can see. As you can see, am I not glowing? Am I not glowing? I am. Okay, so in today's video, before we start, let me first start by thanking you guys for, I think now right now we are at 75 subscribers. Yes, 75 subscribers. Thank you for those subscribers. It's quite a journey because it's not easy to get those 75. Even that one subscriber, though, you can just subscribe for yourself, but getting those subscribers means a lot. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. That gives me a smile. Yeah, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Yeah, for the new subscribers, you're very much welcome. Feel at home. Click that subscribe button and go to my previous videos. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Please comment, even if you just say hi to me. Just comment, okay? Because I'll be showing you more and more videos from my village. Yeah, and you will be enjoying them. They are good ones. They are very good. So please make sure you subscribe so that when I post a new video, you get notified, okay? Yeah. So today I've woken up and I feel so energetic. I feel so smart. I feel so beautiful. And I've thought of it, and I want to take you around our farm. Yeah, I show you some of the trees that we have here in our farm. And in my previous video, if you've watched my previous video, there was, I don't know, yeah, there's a video that I've posted showing you weeds. I was slashing weeds. So I want to take you around. You see, I cleared all the place, so I didn't do it alone, I was assisted. So I'll be showing you how the farm is right now. It's clean, by the way. Though, I've not swept here. I'll sweep here. And the farm is clean. We've cleared the bushes and yeah. So I want to show you the farm. There are some trees we planted not long time ago. They are still growing. Yeah. Si kubwa. Ni tudogo bado. They are still growing. And the rains have stopped. So I'm wondering, I don't know. The rains have stopped, by the way, guys. Or it will rain. Because if the rain stops, these trees, I have to be waking up early so that I can water the trees. And I think that will do, because there is no otherwise. Yeah, there is no otherwise to eat, because I have to water them for them to grow. So come with me. I show you around. So guys, let's start here. Let me show you what we have here. These are cowpeas. In Kamba, we call them zo. Do you have these? By the way, do you grow cowpeas at your place? Do you grow cowpeas at your place? Yes, those are called cowpeas. Nzo in Kikamba. That's our farm, guys. Can you see? Like, guys, can you see? Like, the weeds are no more. Guys, look at our farm. Isn't it clean? Yes. Guys, just look at our farm. Tell me, did I do a good job? If you want to see how it was looking, just go to the previous video. It's there. Tell me if I did a good job. Okay? Though I was assisted, I didn't do it alone. So let's start here. I show you. So guys, we start with this tree. Guess first before I tell you. Guess what type of tree this is. This is a mango tree. Can you see the leaves? And it's really doing well, by the way. This is a mango tree. Yeah, it's really doing well. There is another one here. Don't know whether you'll see. Let me carry you along. There's another one here. Come. There's like a small one here. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. I don't know if you'll see. Oh, it's so tiny. Can you see it? Is it visible? This one here. This one. This is another mango tree. I'm not wrong. Hapo nyuma, I had planted here a banana. But I don't know what happened. I don't know where it went. I think it dried up. Yeah. It dried up. So, we continue. We've used Nini for what is this called? For our fence. Is it eucalyptus? Guys, we've used this for our fence. Is this eucalyptus? Or what do we call this? This is what we've used for our fence. Yes. We go to the next one. And I love how our place is surrounded by trees. Can you see? Like the trees are all over. There are trees all over. I just love how it's surrounded by trees. Yeah. So, let's continue. Here, we have a banana. I hope you've all seen bananas. This is how bananas look. Okay? Guys, here we have a banana. Oh, and it's so beautiful. Let me place this camera well. Like, it's a hassle. Hey, shooting yourself. Shooting a video yourself, it's just hectic. So, but I enjoy it the most. So guys, this is a banana. And this banana, I don't know whether it's the right species of banana, because this banana has taken like forever to grow. Like, I don't know. It has never even bared any meaning. It has taken forever to grow. I don't know why. But yeah, that's a banana. And there was another tree here. Oh, this tree is not doing so well. I don't know what tree this is. I don't know what tree this is. And it's not doing that well. Let me show you that small tree there. This is the tree I'm talking of, guys. I don't know this one. I don't know what tree this is, but if you know, you can tell me on the comment section. Yeah, that one. I don't know what tree that is. Let's continue. We continue. Guys, don't worry about my Nini. Sorry about the movements. and the shaking. I'm trying to place you well. I'm trying to place you guys well. So, we have another mango here. Can you see? So in future, if you come to our place, you'll be eating mangoes and bananas. Okay? That's another banana. What else? And I need to water them. They are so dry. They look dry. Hey, we've planted lots of mangoes. So we'll call this fruit orchard, right? Yeah. Because this is another mango, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. This is a fruit orchard. What else? We continue. Another what? Guess this is. This is mango. Mango tree. Yeah. Then that's our fence. That's our fence. That's our fence. These are trees. Yes. Those are trees. The clouds. Trees, more trees. More trees. Yeah. Let's continue. We've left this grass here. I know you can see this grass that is down here on our farm. We've left it here because we what did I want to say? We've left it here because it's fertilizer in a way. Okay? It's manure in a way. When it decomposes, it's manure. Is it manure or fertilizer? Is manure and fertilizer one same thing or it's different? Okay, manure is organic, right? If I'm not wrong, manure is organic. And fertilizer are the ones we buy from the agrovets. Okay? I'm also learned. So, let's continue. We have more cowpeas here. More cowpeas. More cowpeas. More. We have more trees there. Mango trees. So beautiful. We have millet here. I think this millet grew here by mistake. Yeah, because we didn't plant millet. We never planted millet. And yes, there is another mango tree here. I've told you. I don't know whether you'll see it. It's here. Yeah. There's another mango tree, guys. No, this is not a mango tree. What's this? What's this tree? I don't know. But it's a tree. Yes. I don't know which tree that is, but it's a tree. So, let's go. Let's go. Guys, I've thought of it and I'm thinking I should water these trees. They are so dry. The sun is not doing justice to them. So, I'll be watering them. I'll show you. while I'm watering. Let me place this camera well. So guys, I was saying the sun is not doing justice to these trees, so I'll have to water them. I'll show you as we water them, okay? I'll show you as we water them. I'll show you as we water them. Let's go and see what we can have for lunch. What we will have for lunch. Okay? Let's go.